everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. I'm working on my very super easy beginner quilt that I've shown you how to make the actual block, and then I'm actually showing you how to do the sashing here, which I've done. My sashing, my vertical sashing here is just pinned up. I had chosen, or Ian had chosen, by process of elimination, the cornerstones that I'm going to be cutting out. These are a bit too big, but I'll just stick them up. And we decided on the pink. As you can see here, we decided on the, okay? Let me just see if you can put that down a little bit, like so. I'll be putting two inch cornerstones here, just to pop it out a bit. So we decided, I haven't spoken to Ian about this, we decided on the pink, but however, so I had gotten some suggestions other than the pink. Quite a few of you liked the blue. Oh, you must excuse me. But who was it? It was Kathleen who actually mentioned, why don't you try yellow? Let me just see. The yellow. Oh, careful. There's a yellow. Again, that's a little bit big, but you get the idea. I'm looking at just a hunk of black I just chose. Oh, wow, you can really see that one. Oh, mate, you can really see the black, which actually does pull out the black. There is some black in this quilt. I don't love them. Sorry, Kathleen. Thank you so very much for your suggestion. Don't love them. What I do think I love, and I haven't even run it past Ian, but I love them, so I'm going to do it, is, as you know, I'm using this floral border here, which it sort of just appeared out of nowhere. I've cut it off, and we quite like it, although it doesn't really go, here it is, doesn't really go with the quilt, the hodgepodge florals, but it's okay. It's fine. I like it. So what, let me see, what Thelma and Brenda suggested actually is I cut out some again, these are just cut willy-nilly. I cut out some florals from the actual border. Not that one, that's more lavender, like the pink. So what do you think? The pink floral of the floral border, and I see pink, like because I liked the solid pink, but I see the pink floral. Now you may not see that. I'll take a picture of it up close, but I think tying in that border, that might be a nice idea, to have the floral cornerstone there. I'm going to run it past Ian, and I'm going to surprise you guys. Ian. Oh, hello? Yeah. Shut the bathroom door.
Hello.
Yeah.
What do you need?
Come in. Do you see something?
Oh, you've got all of the gingham. Oh, now I see. So you're using those.
It was a suggestion. So from, let me see, who is it from? From Thelma and from Brenda said, why don't you try the floral?
It's the best.
Okay, I don't want to.
Very, very feminine now.
Yeah, I don't want to dismiss Kathleen.
Who loves the feminine ones?
You do, Ian. Kathleen wanted she wanted the yellow and the black, or the black. I tried that, and it was a little bit too stark. Say thank you, Kathleen.
Thank you, Kathleen.
Yeah, but
who is Kathleen?
Kathleen is one of the subscribers who suggested a yellow or a black cornerstone, but Thelma and Brenda said the floral. So I just cut them sort of willy-nilly.
They're absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good.
Absolutely fabulous.
Yeah.
And this is like...
It's feminine now.
But it's also like creation. What's out there in the beautiful world around us. Am I being poetic?
You are, Ian. It's a quilt.
Roses.
It's a quilt.
The roses.
Thank you. Yeah, I know.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, I loved that fabric forever ago.
Wow.
And it's just pinned up and cut willy-nilly. But there, that lovely, pretty floral. Isn't that pretty? Want to see the viewfinder?
Yeah. Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah. I wasn't quite sure about that border. I wasn't quite sure.
No, we need a happy quilt to start 2024.
Yes, January 1st, 2024.
Yep.
Going to be a good year?
Instead of all the explosions, fireworks are nice to watch when it's safe.
Oh, wow.
But I always worry about people indiscriminately firing this off and
Yeah,
I hope
seriously.
that no one got hurt
I know.
last night.
I know.
This
I
morning.
know. We were in bed, Ian. Happy New
But
Year.
it was like a war zone
Oh,
out there.
there was
The
a
explosions.
It was a war zone at like 9 o'clock. What in the world was that all about?
Yeah, it started ever so early where
It
we are.
did. It did. Wow.
Yeah, 8:30.
It was.
And some organisation close by
Yeah.
was yeah, but it was bang, bang, bang.
Seriously sounded like gunshots, didn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Frightening.
Oh well.
Anyway, so happy 2024, and this was my first quilt of 2024.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning.
So the floral cornerstones.
Yes.
Yeah, they're
The
pretty.
cornerstones. Look at that.
Cornerstones.
Cornerstones. They hold up this visual treat. Bye.
Bye. So stay tuned for my next video. What we chose for my cornerstones. All right, folks. See you later. Bye.